video is a video for my sample Saturday. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, make sure you hit the thumbs up button down below. And don't forget to subscribe and change notifications to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. Alright, let's jump in. So today's sample is these pomegranate cleansing wipes. I got these in the Priceline pink diamond box. And I've just finished my other cleansing wipes, so I thought I would give these ones a try and see if they're worth it or not. So basically these ones say they contain a blend of superfruit extracts including goji berry, grapefruit, cranberry and pomegranate, and they're dermatologically tested and they're pomegranate fragranced. So let's have a look. This is, oh wow, they do smell really nice. It's not overpowering. Like I can't smell it when it's away from my face, but I can smell it close up, so that's good because I don't like things that are too fragranced. So I've just pulled one wipe out. So it looks like a full-size wipe. It feels very nice. It's nice and soft. It doesn't feel oily and it doesn't feel, you know, like a makeup remover. It feels more like a baby wipe. I really like the smell of it though. So let's see if they work any good. I've got some red lipstick on at the moment. I have some stuff in my eyebrows and I have a little bit of spot concealer on, but that's all the makeup I've got on today. I am having a breakout at the moment, so I'm just trying to give my skin some rest today. So let's see if it gets it off. That's one brow. Came off perfectly. So with the wipes, you don't have to use them for makeup. You can use them for anything. They are just cleansing wipes. If you want to wipe your hands or something, you can do that. I tend to use like baby wipes and cleansing wipes all the time in this room. I keep tons of them in stock because I use baby wipes for a lot of things. I don't tend to use very many makeup wipes just because I don't like the feel of them. They are quite oily and they do make my skin break out. So if I do take any makeup off with a wipe, I do tend to just use a baby wipe and then I'll go and cleanse my face properly. But this is doing a really good job. It's got everything off so far. So I just got those little spot concealer pieces off. So it's just covering up there, down here, and a tiny bit of redness on my nose. So let me show you, I've used this part here. It's coming off pretty well. All right, I'm surprised. These work really well. I love them. Okay, so I really liked them. I think they're really nice. The scent is really nice on it and it's not overpowering at all. So I would definitely buy these in the future. So they're just the Be Fresh by Beauty Essentials pomegranate cleansing wipes. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you hit the thumbs up button down below and don't forget to subscribe and change notifications to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. And as always, thanks for watching guys. Bye!